mileage, nobody's got better numbers. The truck game has officially changed, and your unfair advantage is right here. It's not just a new truck, it's a new F-150.
You're watching the Evening Report at 6 with anchors Monica Hannon and Alan Miller. First warn weather with Emmy Award-winning chief meteorologist Kevin Lawrence and sports.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Burleigh County Police Department. At 9:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a stabbing had occurred at the Circuit City on Century Avenue. As a result, a civil danger warning, in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, has been issued. The perpetrator of this event is on the loose. If you see a black man in his 40s, with shaggy hair, a large beard, and an orange baseball cap, call 911 immediately. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Burleigh County Police Department. The suspect has been killed in a police chase that resulted in an accident. The suspect's name was Tilly Weston. A DNA test was conducted, and he wasn't the stabber. However, the suspect is still on the loose, and a new depiction of the suspect has been released. If you see a white man in his 20s with short brown hair, gray eyes, no facial hair, who is 6 feet 3 inches tall, and has a shirt that says "I love killing people," please turn him in immediately. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Burleigh County Police Department. Authorities were told that a bomb was planted inside of the Century Avenue Circuit City. Civil authorities are unsure whether or not the bomb is nuclear, so a shelter-in-place warning has been issued until 4:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time. An instructional video will be played on your screen very soon. We are postponing the end of this message until the end of the instructional video. We appreciate you for listening.
Hello, this is the Bismarck County Emergency Management Agency, telling you how to shelter in place in the event of a nuclear fallout. You want to start out by closing all windows and doors. Next, close all openings to your house. This includes stuff like air vents and chimneys. This has been the Bismarck County Emergency Management Agency. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Stay safe, and goodbye.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Bismarck County Police Department. A pre-recorded administrative message will be played soon.
In my years of being a police officer, I have never seen a crime as heinous as the Black Friday stabbing and bombing. However, we have reached a conclusion to the investigation. Due to the way the bomb detonated, the damage to the electronic store, and the structure of the device, it turned out to be a napalm bomb. The suspect was found in a shed not far from the store, with a .22 caliber rifle in his right hand, and a gunshot wound to the chest.
That was a message from the Bismarck County Sheriff. Thank you for listening.